From start to finish, the process was so easy. Everything was done through modulars. It kept you on track. You were able to determine your finishes, what color you wanted the cabinets to be, and our designer, Deborah, killed it. Hi, my name is Josh Kirby. My partner, Brad, and I recently completed a form kitchen. Together, we renovate unique houses and large estates. The kitchen in this house was very dated. The cabinets were falling apart, there were cracks in the countertops, and it was just kind of not the greatest space. I wanted to create a kitchen that was bold, sophisticated, and obviously modern. When we received the renderings of what the new kitchen was going to look like, I was literally blown away. They were so in-depth and accurate that I felt like I was physically there. From that point on, I knew 100% that this kitchen was going to be exactly what I had envisioned. The communication on form was great. Every step of the way, we knew what we needed to get done, and Deborah kept us on schedule. Working with form was so rewarding. They really helped us design and create such a beautiful and functional kitchen. Their knowledge and creativity when it came down to fixtures, colors, lighting, storage, and even materials set them apart from every other kitchen design company.